Sorry, I forgot how to talk. I've had bigger bites. All right, here we are on a rainy day, and you know what makes it just a little bit better? How about lemon ricotta pancakes? Yes, and wait till you see the incredible blackberry syrup we're gonna make for the top. Listen, my son just dumped out an entire thing of blocks. We're ignoring the chaos that is going on in my living room, but you are here today at Home with Mama Mila for a reason. One and a half cups of all-purpose flour. I have 4 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt going in. I'm gonna mix that up, and I'm gonna make a well right in the middle. To that well, I'm going to add 3/4 cup of ricotta, 3 eggs, a cup of milk, a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm using the vanilla bean paste. I never waste it. That stuff is so expensive. Now we're going to do the zest of a lemon. Now we're going to put in 1/2 cup of lemon juice, and we are going to mix it all together. I'm mixing it in the middle and trying to get this ricotta broken up and incorporated before I scrape the sides, just because it's thick, like me. Look how pretty. Now the thing about pancakes is you don't want to overmix, so we're going to be very careful, and we are going to fold from underneath. Now if I see a little bit of a chunk of ricotta, I'm just pushing it down on the bottom. Okay, a couple more times and we should be good. There they are. Let's make our super simple blackberry sauce for the top of our pancakes. The reason why we're gonna do it right now is because I'm gonna let this mix sit for 10 minutes. It just helps like everything form, and they will make our pancakes really fluffy. Sorry, I forgot how to talk. Okay, I'm putting a whole jar of blackberry preserves. Maybe I'll make a cocktail later. We're gonna put a big glug of vanilla. Now I'm going to add some nutmeg in here because I feel like it needs a little bit of warmth. So just a tiny bit of nutmeg, 1/3 cup of water, and a nice, ooh, maybe Jesus is telling me something. Just kidding, I'm not really a drinker actually, but this stuff, yeah, a nice big glug of Chambord. All right, let's put this on the stovetop and get it all heated up. Okay, we've brought it to a boil, and now we're just gonna let it simmer for a couple of minutes so it's all together and a little bit thickened. All right, our syrup has come to a boil. We're just gonna let it thicken for a minute or two, and it's all gonna come together beautifully. Okay, our pan is preheated. I'm gonna just spray it with some avocado oil because I like crispy edges. Feel free to use butter if you want. Let's drop our pancake in. All right, you see these little bubbles that are starting to come up? That means that it is about time to flip. Let's see if I can do it without holding the pan. There it is. Looks beautiful. I lost the butter. I will win. Here they are. They're beautiful, they're warm, and I can't wait to dig in. And yes, I am taking a nice big bite. Getting all of this in the butter. I've had bigger bites. Actually, these are so good. Why are they so good? They taste like cheesecake. like lemon cheesecake. These are amazing. If you make these, please let me know. Oh my God. These might have been the best thing I ever made. Maybe, besides my children. But okay, I'm done. Here it is. Let me know if you make it. They're incredible. I surprised myself. See you next time.